Greetings, YouTube. My parents and my grandparents came from Pennsylvania coal country. It's where they were raised. My parents' hometown is a place built on 7 collieries. There's a slag pile behind the town, taller than the town itself. My grandfather worked in the coal mines as a youth. My great-grandfather, he died from black lung. So I have an intimate connection with coal mining. It's something that is in the blood of my family, literally. And when I hear about cases that show how the coal industry has screwed coal miners out of funds they should have because of the risks they were put under, I get really angry. And I'm going to link to an article today, article into a thread on Metafilter that deals with Jackson Kelly, a law firm. Now, Jackson Kelly is the go-to law firm for the coal industry. They're the law firm the coal industry turns to when miners sue the coal industry. And the reason Jackson Kelly is the go-to law firm is that they are really good at getting results that are favorable to the coal industry. And not surprisingly, not favorable for the men and the women that put their lives on the line. Now, this particular case deals with a man named Mr. Fox. And Mr. Fox had some breathing problems, had a medical exam done, had a mass removed from his lungs. And the mass was examined by doctors that were in the pockets of the law firm. And even these doctors who were in the pocket of the law firm said that, yeah, this is black lung. So what did the law firm do? Just made the reports disappear. Because that was beneficial to the law firm. That was beneficial to their client, the coal mines. And when Mr. Fox was eventually killed by the black lung and they did an autopsy, they found evidence of black lung, which had always been there. But thanks to the machinations of the law firm, was hidden. Now, how doctors get away with that kind of thing, I'm not sure. Then again, I can't figure out how there are doctors that are used by the tobacco industry to tell people that smoking isn't dangerous. So this probably falls under the same ethical donut hole. Somehow they use some kind of legalese to get away with this and keep their medical licenses. But I want these people brought up on charges. All of them. I want the doctors to lose their licenses. I want the law firm to be stripped of their right to practice law. I want the lawyers that were involved charged with the crimes of denying this man his rightful benefits for having acquired as a disease that you acquire while working in a coal mine under unsafe working conditions. Which shouldn't come as a shock, because in America we have a long history of not only ignoring the needs and the medical requirements of coal miners, but, creating situations so unsafe that coal mines explode and or collapse on them. And the coal mines throw their hands up in the air and say, oh, how did we know that was going to happen? Because they've paid off the inspectors as well. So the article involved with this is very long and detailed. It's like 3 pages long. Well written, but it's very long. But it's just another example of how corporate America gets away with everything, and the workers get away with nothing. And if they're really lucky, they may not die of the diseases they acquired while working, if they're really lucky. Mr. Fox wasn't that lucky.